Hey there! In today's video, I'll show you how to stream or go live on Discord Mobile. Yep, you heard me right. Let's get into it. First off, go to any server and find a voice channel. After that, simply connect to the voice channel. Now you'll see this Go Live button right next to the microphone icon. Just click on it, and you're all set. But make sure you don't show any sensitive or private information while screen sharing, because there will be people stalking you, you know what I mean. Also, your playing status will change to streaming a game and other users will be able to preview your stream. At the time of this recording, you need to be a Discord bug hunter in order to access this feature, but it's becoming public within a few days, so come back and watch again if you have any doubts. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comments. Happy Discording!